Hey guys, this is my Jamaican dal. So after it's cooking down, you burn the scallion and the garlic and some curry. When it's fully burned, then you throw it on top of it. And that's how we made our dal. It's so good. You should try it. Really? Stir for like 5 to 10 minutes on really high. Remember, you have to cook curry really good because you don't want it to run your belly. Alright, so this is it. So good.